dito po pinapakita sa atin kung paano ba tayo maging mabuti at banal. How? By being true. Kaya nga, sabi din po ni St. James, be quick to listen, but slow to speak, slow to anger. Saan nagmumula yung napakaraming problema natin sa buhay? Pinagbabaliktad natin yun. Tatlong yun eh. We are slow to listen, napakabagal nating makinig, umintindi, napakabilis nating magsalita, napakabilis nating uminit ang ating ulo. Kaya nag-aaway-away tayo. Kaya nagkakasakitan tayo ng loob. You will be good in front of the Lord, and you will also gain the respect of people if you are quick to listen and understand, but slow to speak. Kaya napakagandang paalaala po yan, no?